My thoughts, and I'm sure those across the whole of the House, are with the family and friends of Sarah Everard, who will be suffering unspeakable grief. There are 5 words that will stick with us for a very long time. She was just walking home. Sometimes a tragedy is so shocking, it demands both justice and change. The Stephen Lawrence case showed the poison of structural and institutional racism. The James Bolger case made us question the nature of our society and the safety of our children. Now the awful events of the last week have lifted a veil on the epidemic of violence against women and girls. This must also be a watershed moment to change how we as a society treat women and girls and how we prevent and end sexual violence and harassment. I believe that if we work together, we can achieve that. And the questions I ask today are in that spirit. So first, does the Prime Minister agree that this must be a turning point in how we tackle violence against women and girls?
Mr. Speaker, yes, I do. And I associate myself fully with the remarks that the Right Honourable Gentleman has made about the appalling murder of Sarah Everard. And I'm sure that those emotions are shared in this House and around the country. And that event has triggered a reaction that I believe is wholly justified and understandable. And of course, we in government are doing everything that we can. We're investing in the Crown Prosecution Service, trying to speed up the law. We're changing the law on domestic violence and many, many other things. But I think that he is right, frankly, that unless and until we have a change in our culture that acknowledges and understands that women currently do not feel they are being heard, we will not fix this problem. And that is what we must do. We need a cultural and social change in attitudes to redress the balance, Mr. Speaker, and that is what I believe all politicians must now work together to achieve.